Alright, doing a new experiment today. I have these little pieces of awning, gutters I should say, and I'm going to try to do some pea planting. I've soaked some sweet peas, as you can see, in water overnight. Get them a little alive and activated. Get the tannic acids off their shell. Okay, next move, I'm going to punch holes with a pen. So I'll turn this off and I'll do that real quick. Okay, so now I have punched the holes, and how I did it was I took this pen, pardon me, a little sniffle going. Took a pen and I punched 3 holes about 1.5 inches deep. For bigger seeds, I go a little deeper, especially with peas. Then I'm doing an angle so that when they grow in, they'll grow in really thick. I saw this on YouTube. I want to say Self-Sufficient Me, gardener guy. I need to look that up so I can give credit to this wonderful experiment that I've never tried. And the point of me doing this, I have done some direct sowing, some transplanting, but the biggest issue I find with a lot of direct sowing in my yard is I have blue jays and birds that come in, and as soon as a plant is scrumdiddlicious, about 1 inch tall, they just decide they're gonna pull it out and eat it. So I'm thinking with this process, bring this indoors, get this really thick, and then the goal is to slide it off into place where you want it when they're tall. So here goes. I'm just gonna pop some of the seeds in there and bury it. Now I did compact the soil because it's very loose, recycled potting soil with a little eggshell compost, just ever so lightly, not too much to burn your seedlings, but it's got a good aeration. There's some peat moss and vermiculite. Perlite, my understanding, can cut things, so very similar. Whoops, don't want 2 seeds in 1 hole on these. Sometimes you want that. But yeah, so this is about it. I'll water it in, I'll cover the seeds, water it in, and keep you posted on how that grows in this little gutter. And we should be able to, maybe in a week or so, peas are pretty fast growing, should be able to transplant directly right where I want it and just slide it out if I get some good root growth and good plant viability, good seedling viability. Alright guys, there's your Green Girl Chronicle, how to do it yourself, beginning stages of sweet peas.